What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how I keep my Air Jordan 1s looking fresh. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Justin Picot, salute. Now, if you've been watching this channel for any amount of time, you know I have a couple of things I like to rock. I like to dress up with my suits and ties, but I also love my sneakers. And it may surprise you, especially with my Jordans, I don't buy new sneakers very often. Most of the Jordans I have, I've had at least 5 to 10 years. So a question I get all the time, how do I keep my Jordans looking fresh and clean? That's what we're gonna talk about on today's video. How I maintain them and keep them looking fresh. So without further ado, let's talk about how I keep my Air Jordan 1s looking right. So as I was saying earlier, I get tons of questions on how I keep my Jordan 1s looking right. And here's the thing. I've had these, especially my favorite red and black ones. Now I've had these probably a good 7-8 years whenever they came out. But can you tell? Probably not. Now there's two key ways where I keep my sneakers looking fresh, my leather ones, but specifically my Air Jordan 1s. I treat them almost like they're regular leather dress shoes. What do I mean by that? I put shoe trees in all of my sneakers. Just like this is to help keep the shape of your dress shoes, it helps keep the shape of your sneakers as well. So get yourself some cedar shoe trees, put them in your leather sneakers. You'll be glad you did. Not only do the shoe trees help keep the shape of your sneakers, they help draw moisture out, which can be very damaging to leather. So using cedar shoe trees will definitely keep your shoes shaped and help them last longer and get much more wear out of them. Now come on, these shoes can be very expensive, so we gotta take care of them just like you would an expensive dress shoe. Now not only am I talking about keeping the shape, but of course you gotta maintain them and keep them clean. And you know how easy it is for sneakers to get dirty. So you gotta take the time to, one, clean them regularly. I'm gonna clean mine at least every 2 or 3 wearings. That way I don't want any dirt or grime to build up. The more you keep them clean, the easier it is to keep them clean later on. It's 3 things that I emphasize when taking care of your sneakers. One, like I said, the frequency of keeping them clean. Don't wait. Clean them as regularly as possible. Secondly, you have to use the right tools to avoid discoloration and damage. And lastly, you have to follow the process. Each type of shoe is going to have its own special set of instructions. Now, of course, there's a variety of ways of keeping those sneakers clean. In the past, I used to always be a fan of some good old warm water and dishwashing liquid. And of course, I've been a fan of the shoe cleaning kits that have been popular the last few years. Which brings me to the new kit I've been using recently and the sponsor of today's video, Swag Kings and their premium shoe cleaning kit. What I love about this one that differentiates it between the rest, you don't have to use water. When you're cleaning your sneakers, one of the messiest things is the water getting everywhere and then having to wait to wear them after they dry off. Because the Swag Kings Premium Care Kit doesn't require to use water, I think it's a game changer. Instead of getting your bowl of water in your cleaning solution, whatever that may be, all you have to do is this 3-step process. 1, spray it down with the foam in the desired area you're going to clean. You get the brush, work it into a circular motion until you get the dirt off. After that, all you have to do, grab your microfiber towel, wipe it down. You can wear your shoes almost immediately. The fact that you can skip that water step, like I said, a game changer. As you can see, like I've done here with my Red Jordan 1s, super clean, no water needed. Another great thing about the Swag Kings cleaning kit, you can use it on a variety of fabrics, not just leather. You can use it on canvas, suede, nubuck, knit. All you have to do is follow instructions in the care guide that actually comes with the kit. There's slightly different instructions for the different materials. All you have to do is follow along and you can take care of those Timbs, those canvas sneakers, leather, you name it. This shoe kit does it all. Now, in addition to them sponsoring today's video, which we appreciate, they've also given you guys a discount to Style O.G family members to try out the Swag Kings Premium Shoe Care Kit. All you have to do upon checkout is put in Style O.G 10 and you'll get a 10% discount on your kit. Definitely make sure you check out my favorite all-in-one shoe care kit from Swag Kings. I got the link in the description. And don't forget your Style O.G 10 discount upon checkout for 10% off. Let's face it, these days, sneakers are just as important as your dress shoes. It's just part of the modern man's stylish wardrobe. And to get the most out of your shoes, you gotta maintain them. And like I said, that includes using the shoe trees and cleaning them on a regular basis. I know some of the newer generation don't mind having a little wear and tear on their sneakers, but not the OG. I'll let you new guys rock the dirty sneaker look. I prefer mine to look well-maintained, fresh, and clean. Okay, so there you have it. My quick guide on how I keep my Air Jordan 1s and all my leather sneakers looking clean and fresh. Let me know in the comment section how you keep your sneakers looking up to par. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos released every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.